WHOOSH Electronics, from the moment of its establishment, keep working on providing stable and reliable products to clients. In 2004, WHOOSH Electronics was found with great foresight vision in Shanghai City, developing into an integrated enterprise entity of research, production, and sale of power supply, committing itself to become worldwide renowned power supply manufacturer, market-oriented. The core competencies of R&D and service has developed to the industry first-class level. WHOOSH Electronics, with its over 15 years of experience in R&D and manufacturing of power supply, customer demand-based, always upheld operating principles that develop a market with integrity to consolidate the market by quality, to win the market by service, to lead the market by innovation, consistently to develop high-quality power supply products for customers. Over 10 years of accumulation and development, WHOOSH Electronics has embarked on the standardized and development mode with first-class research and development capabilities and production capacity. WHOOSH Electronics does not allow a single defective product to enter the market.